How to fix flash notifications not working on Android. This tutorial shows you how to enable and troubleshoot LED flash alerts on your Android device. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. After that, tap on Accessibility to open the Accessibility settings. From there, tap on Advanced Settings and then tap on Flash Notification. At this point, make sure both camera flash notification and screen flash notification toggles are turned on. In the next step, if they were already on, toggle them off and back on again to reset the feature. Following this, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears and tap Restart to reboot your device. Finally, ask someone to call or message you to test if the flash notification is now triggering correctly. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you fix your flash notifications, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.